Throughout modern history, the American farmer has led the world in the development of agricultural techniques and methods. Recent advances in equipment technology and farm sciences have brought new opportunities, even as the shift from a labor-intensive to a capital-intensive industry place new pressures on agricultural producers. Today, America's farmers are still the most productive in the world. Corn, cotton, and soybeans account for over 20% of the nation's annual exports, and forecasts suggest that with current advances in fertilizers, chemicals, and genetically enhanced crop strains, American farms will continue to feed the world. Schaefer Manufacturing Company has been formulating and blending quality lubricants for American farmers since 1839. These state-of-the-art oils and greases are engineered to reduce friction by 50%, while extending lubricant life 2 to 3 times over conventional products.
My name's Steve Ewert, and we farm about 1,700 acres of corn, beans, and wheat in the Liberty, Missouri area. All grain, our operation is. Have been using Schaefer's oil now probably since 1993 or so. We first started out on the engine oils, and we left our change intervals as far as oil changes the same as what they were from the factory and what we had been doing with other products. Generally that was at 150 hours on tractors. At subsequent oil changes, using the oil analysis from Schaefer's, we have increased our oil changes by about 50 hours each time. And we began to notice that we were dumping cleaner and cleaner oil every time we extended our oil drain. We are now to the point where we change oil on our equipment, engine oil, about once a year, which is really handy for us when we're in the field in the fall or in the spring. We don't have to worry if a piece of equipment is coming up on an oil change. We can run 500 hours on one change of Schaefer's oil. What that's done for us, and I know a lot of people are cost conscious, it actually pays us to use Schaefer's oil. The bigger engines now use somewhere around 8 to 9 gallons of engine oil. The filter, the engine oil filter on it may cost $40 to $50. If you extend and cut out 2 oil changes in a year, the product that you're using from Schaefer is actually free, and that's what I love. I love to use a product that will pay me to use it, and I'm using a superior product.
Results like these are achieved because Schaefer uses a unique combination of superior quality base oils and friction-reducing additives. These base oils and additives create a protective barrier on the metal surface that prevents metal-to-metal contact and increases the efficiency of equipment. And Schaefer products are designed to perform in the severe dirt and dust conditions encountered by modern agricultural equipment. Schaefer's Molly roller chain penetrates into the pin of the chain to lubricate chains and sprockets without causing buildup. Chains and sprockets last 2 to 3 times longer. And Schaefer's Molly grease increases bearing life and reduces costly downtime. Schaefer's waterproof greases seal out contaminants and won't squeeze out or pound out under heavy loads.
All right, my name's Don Hurd. I live in Perry, Kansas. That's northeast corner of Kansas. We have a farm operation, and we also have a small feed mill that we run. We've been on Schaefer oil products probably for the last 10 years.
How that works for you?
The 238 grease, that's the only grease we use now for bearings, fifth wheel plates, on our big trucks, everything. I had a mechanic working on one of our big trucks changing a fifth wheel plate out the other day, and he asked me if I had any tubes of grease so he could put on there, and I went and got the 238, and he just couldn't say good enough things about it, so I gave him a couple of tubes of it. He thought it was probably some of the best grease he'd had a hold of and used. We use it in all of our disc bearings and everything. We've had a lot less trouble since we started using it. We grease all of our planters and our tractors and everything with this 238 grease from Schaefer's, and it does a wonderful job.
Fuel systems treated with Schaefer's soy-based additives are cleaner and more efficient, resulting in additional savings through better fuel economy. Schaefer's Soy Shield is formulated using American-grown soy oil for superior lubricity and injector cleanliness. Superior base stocks and additives in Schaefer tractor hydraulic fluids provide better lubrication and longer oil life. These products are engineered to provide superior lubrication in all types of agricultural equipment. Schaefer hydraulic oils run cooler than conventional oils, resulting in less leakage and hose breakage. Agriculture has become agribusiness, and Schaefer Manufacturing Company has grown up with modern farming equipment. Our products are designed to bring value and quality to our customers in a demanding environment. Agribusiness is the backbone of our economy and of the American way of life. Farmers work hard, and they demand products that can work just as hard. Schaefer Manufacturing is proud to be a partner to the American farmer.